Oh yeah, I see where you were.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, guys!
Alright, kiddos.
Rail up! Go away, the other way. Rail up! Run another way!
Beautiful coordination. My way! My way! There.
Better front time!
Excellent work.
Move that front time, goalkeeper!
Put that thing right through there so it stays.
Let's go, gentlemen! Go, boys! Come on! Look how good they're moving.
They're just amazing. I'm in the same boat.
Really getting that real quick.
Pull out your big wiener. You got it. That's a good angle there. Good angle there. We got one more. Jack on the same side. You can single jack on the same side. Okay.
That's a little bit so they got 2 times then, 1 time to put it, and then 1 time to undo it. That's a lot neater than that. I suppose they got it inspected for that. They were very nice on time. Yeah. Yeah.
Might need a little single back off. Do you want me to stand? Why is it the look?
Oops. Ooh. So 2 bolts.